I'm just following the road ahead, being careful of traffic, pedestrians, watching out for the crossing here. And when you come here, they will tell you to stay towards the right lane. So the right lane, if you can see the straight arrows, there's 2 straight arrows. We want to go straight ahead because the left lane will eventually turn left. So I'm staying towards this lane, the lights are red. And if you look ahead where the grey car is coming out, the left lane, which will eventually be a left turn only. So I'm going straight ahead. I'm following the white car. The Mercedes went ahead of me. Lights have changed. I'm building up that speed, staying in my lane. Yeah, I'm going uphill, just being careful here. Yeah, and I'm just following the road ahead.